just wanna make mention, yung maturity niyo din from, the very first season to her up to now, grabe na rin. Ilang years na yun?
Siguro,
6?
less, more, 5.
Really?
Ano,
Kailan ba tayo nag-go-see? 2019?
2019, oo, 6 years.
Tapos nag-show yung pandemic.
5, 6
Yeah,
years.
mga five,
Wow.
yeah.
Feels like a lifetime.
And we want to thank all the supporters who are watching right now, who's been with us from the very start. Maraming salamat. Grabe rin yung support nila sa amin.
Grabe ha, nagkwentuhan tayo. Yung eroplano, yung meron silang
Yes.
signage.
Tapos, yeah, and then yung
The
sa
bridge,
and then yung
the
sa boat
LEDs
pa.
and the billboards. Grabe
May
ha.
mural pa sila sa Baguio,
Mural,
di ba?
Yeah.
Grabe ang effort. Speaking of supporters, trending na kayo ngayon. First 5 trending topics.
Wow!
Sa X platform, kayo ay trending yung matcha, Grand MediaCon, ang ating mga hashtags, and of course, Donnie Pangilinan as Matt and Bel Mariano as Cha. Grabe! Wala akong masabi. Next question is for Bel. May kasabihan na nothing is constant but change. Pero kung ikaw ang papipiliin, anong trait ni Donnie ang na-appreciate mo at wish mo na sana ay huwag nang magbago?
Isa lang. Parang ang dami naman. Yeah.
Go ahead, we have the whole afternoon.
No, because there's yun nga, parang siyang definition ng green flag talaga. Hindi, totoo kasi he's such a gentleman, family oriented. So, if there was one thing, siguro, you're gonna achieve so many things. You're gonna soar higher. Siguro never forget your core and never forget God. That's it.
Balik na natin. Don, what's one thing about her that you don't
Ganun
want to
din,
change?
mamaya pa tayo kung ano sinabi ko na. I hope she doesn't change that inner child in her. Kasi I love when she's super happy and like super excited about things like she was when she was a child. It's also, ganun din ako may mga parts din naman na ganun. To not lose your love for your family. Obviously, hindi mawawala yun. Of course, your love for your craft. Siyempre, mahal na mahal niya yung lahat ng pinapasukan niyang trabaho. And yeah, keep the faith, of course. That's very important.
Uy, alam mo, ang nakakakita lang daw ng mga ganun, or pinagpapakitaan ng inner child is someone that they kind of love the most. Oo. You don't show that to everybody. Di ba? Parang, and sometimes, the person who notices that is that special person. Yun lang naman, gusto ko lang naman sabihin. Huwag kang matense, Donnie.
Dami ang bag.
Nag-tense na si Donnie eh.
Saan yun nabasa yan?
Hindi ako nakikinig na ikaw ba? You show your inner child to just anybody
I
randomly?
think it's pretty common naman for us to like show our inner child when we're
Di ba?
Yes, ma'am.
People you're close with,
Yes.
people you love. Di ba? Di ba, Donnie, no? Alright, Jeff Oligar TV. Si Jeffrey ang dito ngayon. Pagkatanong ng kanyang question. Jeffrey, go ahead.
hello po.
And hello at magandang hapon sa inyo, Donnie, Bel, sa lahat ng mga friends natin sa media. Ayun, una congratulations sa bago na naman nating abangan sa Primetime Liga.
Salamat po.
Tulog na natin yan, Batang Quiapo, Info dito, and yan, yung House of the Red Flag.
Lakas, grabe.
Walang lipat na to. Okay, on to questions. Donnie, gaano ka-enjoy kasama yung mga co-stars nyo sa serye?
Ang ganda po ng boses niyo, Sir Jeff.
Ay,
Parang radyo.
Parang radyo.
Ang ganda ng ano
Ang ganda
niya.
ng boses. Kamusta ang makasamang co-stars? You know, it was my first time working with Tita Angel, Tito Benj, Ate Mai. Funnily enough, Jameson, first time namin magka-work. But we've known each other for a while. Kami, me. Sino pa? First time? I think yun.
Smear.
Hindi. So, working with the whole cast, I was entering kasi thinking na if we're gonna shoot right away, lahat dapat, hindi naman close, pero lahat dapat may chemistry na. Maybe we should like spend time together muna, or like do something to break the ice. We weren't able to do that. So I thought, magiging mahirap yung mga eksena. But the opposite happened. Once we got to the set, it really felt like we've been working with these guys for so long. We've known them. The amount of energy that they give to the set is really something that I think keeps us going. Tito Bench, pangalan. He's like the guy who always makes us laugh. He's the guy who makes the set light up. Ate Mai, who's from La Union, took us around. Siya yung tour guide namin lahat. Siya yung nagpakita ng mga favorite spots niya, yung resort niya. That's where we would watch the sunrise, you know. Si Tita Angel naman, I really saw another family member in her. I just texted her actually. I told her na I really enjoyed working with you. Thank you so much for giving so much in our scenes and for just being so genuine. We really felt all the love from all of them. And the fact that we were shooting on the beach, it felt like we were all on vacation, but at the same time, lahat professional, you know. Everyone, when it's time to go to the set, we would be there and we would give 101%. And of course, si Jameson naman, dapat brother kasi dito, dapat close kami, hindi pa kami nagka-work. But you know, it worked out and I'm really happy that he was casted here. And I'm glad that we got to work again. And everyone else in the set, si Esnir, first movie namin, kasama siya eh.
Right.
So it's like, you know, we're going
Lucky
back.
charm ba?
I feel so.
Yeah.
Near lucky charm ka ba?
Hindi masyado. De joke lang.
Oy!
Esnir is a joy to be with us.
Sobrang
Right.
saya.
We see you guys on social media, yung mga kulitan ninyo
Yeah.
with Isnir. Pero Jeff, sundot lang ako doon sa tanong mo kay Donnie. Pinaka-close niya kay Angel, I'm sure, kasi kay Sen mo lagi. Okay, what usually kasi the nuggets of wisdom or life lessons, we usually get that from them pag off-camera, kumakain, kuwentuhan. What was that one thing that you learned so much from Angel that you carry with you?
What I love about her is when I enter the set, the first thing she asks me is, "How are you, son?" I'll never forget. Every single day. And then she literally may kwento lang. Nothing about the scene, nothing about work. And then, when it's time to do our makeup or get ready for the next scene, doon lang kami mag-usap doon. But she always makes sure to check up on her co-actor. And,
Janina.
you know, that's something I learned and I appreciate from her.
I would believe that because wala siyang anak na lalaki. Yeah, so... Jeff, go ahead.
Ayun dahil dyan, teleport pa ako mula doon na nandito. Ganyan ko pala yung Donnie. Also, I'm about to. Ayun. So, kay Belle, do you like matcha?
Ay.
The drink or the
Yes
food?
po, I actually love matcha.
Yun. Diba? May unique flavor siya na gusto ng marami, di ba? Like matcha, di ba ang mga pangalan niyo ay matcha, matcha, matcha. Gaano ka-unique ang sangha niyo ngayon?
The matcha flavor itself is quite unique. So parang gusto malaman ni Jeff, when it comes to your samahan, what's so unique?
Uy, props muna sa nag-isip ng matcha. Diba?
Diba,
Ang
no?
witty nila,
Witty,
ang galing niya talaga
flavors.
Dreamscape tsaka View. Grabe.
I think what's different sa amin is that all the more we spend time with each other, we learn more from one another. We grow together and separately as well. And I think that's what makes us unique. And each and every one of us unique whenever, like, let's say, pagkasama natin pamilya natin or mga kasama natin almost every day. Mas nag-grow kayo, di ba, as a team. So, yun po.
There, ayun. Maraming salamat and abangan natin yung mga kapamilya How to Spot Our Red.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Jeff.
Jeff.
Maraming
Si
salamat.
Jeff matagal na yan nag-interview sa amin.
Diba?
Dati pa.
Pandemic
Yes.
pa, diba? Mga online,
Pandemic pa.
online,
Maraming
Zoom.
salamat.
Thank you, Jeff.
Thank you po.
Na-mention mo na, i-acknowledge natin yung team. Behind How to Spot a Red Flag. Kanina, na-meet nila yung mga bosses natin, di ba?
Yes.
Nandun si Miss Kylie Manalo Balagtas, the head of Dreamscape Entertainment. Sir Rondel Indayag, head of also of Dreamscape Entertainment. Eric Salu, Dreamscape Business Unit Head. Miss Carolina de la Merced, Dreamscape Business Unit Head. Also, Nathaniel Arciaga, our Creative Manager. Danica Domingo and Ai Tamayo, also our Creative Managers. Ang ating team ng How to Spot a Red Flag, let's acknowledge them. Our Business Unit Head, Cathy San Pablo! Of course, ang ating producer, si Rotan! Woo! Our Associate Producers, Jane Quinto, Audrey Panaligan, and Paolo Narvaez. Our production assistants, sila Jerry Lubaluyot, Wendy Dudulao, and Telia Janan. Of course, our director, Direct Dwayne Baltazar. Ang ating creative manager ay saw her ninang Mel Del Rosario. Ang ating head writer si Denise O'Hara. Andito din, nakita ko si Denise. And our writer si J. Mark Castro and Raymond Barcelon. Also, we'd like to acknowledge our friends from View Philippines, si si Garnet Garcia, View Philippines Head of Content, Vinji C. Kia, View Philippines Country Manager, PLO Rail Head of International Sales and Distribution, Maui Tadeo, View Philippines Head of Channel Revenue Partnerships, Mil Alcain, View Philippines Senior Project Manager, and Sophie Aguna, View Philippines Project Manager. Nanonood sila ngayon via live stream. Hello po,
Hello,
thanks
guys.
for joining
Thank you
us
for joining us.
and watching us online. Our next question is from Charmy Pagulong of Philippine Star. Ako ito magbabasa? Tama? Alright. Donnie, paano na-strengthen pa ang inyong chemistry or bond through the show?
Paano mag-strengthen ang bond natin?
Siguro ang gustong tumbukin ni Charmy dito is, okay, when you say kasi bond, that's usually off-camera moments. Ano yung mga off-camera moments ninyo that made your bond stronger? I saw you guys were doing
We started out the lock-in surfing.
surfing.
La Union is known for that. And Belle never surfed before. She really never did lessons and stuff.
Okay.
Nagulat
Niya
ako.
ka doon, ikaw?
Nag-surf na ako dati, pero nagulat talaga ako dito kasi first time pa lang,
Hindi naman.
nakatayo na siya.
So white water
Marunong.
muna, di ba? Yung parang nakahiga ka lang, habulin muna yung wave.
Pumunta ako muna ng malayo kasi
That's
hindi mga
right.
waves eh. And then we have to wait.
That's
Actually,
right.
that's fun, the waiting part. Kasi, how to spot a wave. Yun yung sinasabi nila. We have to wait for the right wave so
That's
that
right.
we can go up on the board. And she did it, yung galing niya.
Tayo
Doon pa lang-
agad?
Tayo agad! Humble lang yan. Oh, try mo. Hindi, masaya. Nagiging bonding talaga yung surfing doon sa La Union. I think that's where it started kasi alam na namin pagdating namin ng La Union, very different feel, very different vibe from Binot. You know, when we're there, okay, this literally determines what the show is. It's super light, super refreshing. It's literally a breath of fresh air, and I'm so glad that they chose the perfect spot for it. Kahit medyo malayo, worth it talaga pumunta doon. Doon kami naglalakit. So I think it started with that, and just going around, seeing the different spots, like what restaurant we ate in a couple of restaurants too, and they have a very, very unique culture there that even in the art scene is growing rapidly, the food scene. And yeah, we just enjoyed it so much to a point na every time we would go there, we would always try to find new stuff to do and new things to go. It's like parang siyang, may parang goals kami. Okay, ito yung gagawin namin. Let's go to this restaurant. Let's try what Ate Mai suggests here. Let's go to her resort. Kahit yung mga kubo style na area, sobrang ganda. So, ayun, yun yung mga bonding namin.
Belle, ikaw naman.
Sobrang dami ko kasing bagong na-experience na doon. Like, we went sa falls too. So, ayun, nag-shoot ka ng araw ngayon, but we went sa falls. As in, ano siya, ilang minutes yung... Ilang minutes
30 minutes, tapos nag-jeep sila.
30 minutes going to the, tapos mahabang hike siya.
That's right.
To the falls, tapos nag-surfing kami. Tapos sobrang saya, and I think ganun yung paraan paano na actually hindi lang yung bond namin yung nabuo, yung buong cast mas naging close talaga kami sa isa't isa. Nakakatuwa nga kasi, you know, I was able to try new things talaga doon. Like parang it was me getting out of my comfort zone. Kasi di naman ako, siya kasi beach boy, ako hindi talaga ako beach girl. Diba? But
Pero tan kayo pareho ngayon,
Yeah.
ha? Grabe.
I fell in love with La Union as soon as I got there. Nasabi ko, wala, nung una nga sabi ko, wala, ang layo ng biyahe. ganun.
Right.
Pero pag nakatapo ka ng La Union, parang ayaw mo nang umuwi. It's so beautiful. I fell in love with the place. Yes, we worked out almost like, inaagahan namin yung gising namin.
Work out?
Yes.
Like, paano work out?
Gym.
Gym?
Yes.
Okay.
They have this really nice gym.
Nag-Muay Thai nga kami, kasama ni Isnir.
Oh!
1 month source si Isnir.
I fell in love with the place, the community, everything. So I think that's also one way for everyone there.
Yes.
to-
No, thanks for bringing us to La Union. Para at least yung mga hindi pa nakakapunta na, yung feel nila na,
Yes.
oh, it's such a
Pwede na tayo maging tour guide.
Oo.
tour guide na kay promo, Binondo to La Union, di ba? Okay, thank you kay Charlie sa kanyang question. Ang next is from Hannah Mallorca. Ako na rin ang magkabasa para kay Hannah. Belle, have you encountered any red flags? Can you share how that experience was at ano natutunan mo while going through that experience? So in the past, have you parang may nakita ka ba, nakilala ka? Doesn't have to be someone romantic, no? Parang let's say a friend or somebody that, you know, biglang red flag, parang
think, to be honest, since we're all humans, lahat naman tayo may mga red flags. Minsan nga hindi tayo aware na may red flags tayo, diba? Tayo mismo, diba? Depende lang yun kung gaano kalaki yung flag na yun or kung gaano kaliit yung ano na yun. Pero I feel like, for me personally, I would say yun nga, online, siguro trolls, scammers, I think that's a red flag for me, syempre. They're pretending to be people like, that we don't know, and they're pretending to be someone we don't know. So yun, throughout that experience, I would say don't believe everything you see online, most especially kung walang credibility. And at the same time, be extra careful, click with caution as well.
Love that. Click with caution. Ikaw, Donnie, aside from sa kaninang nakwento mo na na-scam yung family mo, have you encountered someone before na may red flag kasi lang may
Tama yung sinabi ni Bel, lahat naman tayo, we have some form of red flag inside of us, Lahat naman tayo, di ba? Wala namang perfectong tao. I think I saw it more here in the show din na before seeing a person as a flag, you have to understand that they went through a lot of stuff, which is why they got to that point. So, yeah, they could be a red flag here, but maybe it's because they didn't have a father growing up, or they lost a loved one, or they're showing their insecurities through that red flag. Pero hindi mo alam na red flag yun sa'yo. So, you have to also, before judging someone, understand that they're going through a lot. And yeah, red flags can be seen everywhere, especially in industries like this, in all workplaces. But I think it's very important that you surround yourself with people who you will lift you up. And if people have red flags, especially if you're close to them, and you have the privilege of telling them, kasi minsan tama, hindi mo talaga makikita yun eh. It doesn't help to have a conversation. It helps to have a conversation about it, Kasi minsan pag pinag-uusapan yun, doon nila makikita. Doon nila parang malalaman na may way pala na I can get through this, and maybe I was blinded by it because of something that happened with me in the past. I don't know,
Pero challenge yun, ha?
Very
Tell
big
somebody na, hey, this is your red flag, uy, ganito ka.
Yeah.
Medyo,
Yeah.
unless,
Say it with caution.
Yeah.
yun, di ba? Unless
Unless they ask.
Yeah.
It's nice if
But
they ask.
Can I just add to what he said? Totoo yan, because I remember I said this before, that there are no bad people. People are just doing bad decisions because of their bad situations or bad experiences. So, yeah, I agree.
May second question si Hannah, pero before, bago ko makalimutan, may question ako, do you believe that someone na merong red flag has the room for reform or deserves a second chance?
Well,
With you. This is set up
Yes,
With-
sa'yo.
well, for me personally, I think I would be able to forgive. But it's hard to forget,
Okay.
right? And I think it's also the depth of what they did to you or how big their red flag is, diba? So, I mean, yun nga, napatawag tayo ng Diyos. So, ba't di natin nakayanin magpatawad ng ibang tao? Just remember na parang, yun nga, it's okay to forgive, but sometimes you have to know your limitations or boundaries.
Yeah, it's healthy to set your boundaries also. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na na-forgive mo na yung person, you're back to normal, you're back to square one. Especially that person really hurt you. You have to protect yourself as well. Especially kung gaano kalala yung sitwasyon, hindi natin alam. And a red flag for someone may not be a red flag for another person. So it really depends. When you guys talk about that, you should talk about, upfront yung mga boundaries, yung mga non-negotiables ninyo, what goes for me, what doesn't go for you, So communication is very important.
Sarap nyo nakakwentuhan, ha? Parang tayo nagkakaroon ng aral dito. Na parang life lessons forum eh. Pero sarap pakinggan ng mga POVs ninyo. Because you guys are right. Di mo rin pwedeng invalidate yung feelings niya, di ba? For experiencing that because of your red flag, okay? Yung second question ni Hannah is for Donnie. There comes a point sa buhay natin na tayo mismo ang nagiging red flag. Anong ginagawa mong pang-remind sa sarili mo na hindi maging ganong tao? Knowing na hindi rin naman tayo perfect na tao. I think something that can support that too is, do you have somebody in your support system that reminds you?
Yeah, 100%. You have to have people who will keep you accountable. And you have to tell them up front, uy, kung hindi na ako, sabihin mo ako ah. Mahirap yun ah, pero when you reach that point kasi, alam mo na it's coming from the heart. And it's not something they'll do to judge you. So that would be my family, of course. Even you. You're someone who tells me stuff na siguro hindi masasabi ng iba, di ba?
Talaga? Sinasabihan mo
I
siya?
would say so.
Same naman kami. Like, we really do communicate.
Yeah. And I think you just have to be open to listening to people. And especially those who never left your side, kilala nila kung sino ka. So, very important na yung mga voices na pinapakinggan mo, yun yung mga taong kilala ka talaga. Kasi sila ang makakasabi ng mga bagay na hindi mo marinig sa iba.
Ika ka nila, Be, hindi na ikaw yan. Di ba?
Oo,
Ganun
ganun,
ika nila.
ganun.
Be, hindi na ikaw yan. Is there anybody here na gusto magtanong mula sa ating, let me know, at Kuya OG Diaz, magkatanong daw. Abot natin yung microphone kay OG Aaron. Thank you. OG Diaz, Showbiz
Doon daw ako
Update.
para may camera. Parang patay gutom na ako.
Uy, hindi naman! Alam mo naman ang exposure mo. Masabot din naman.
Parang may ilaw.
Ay, may ganyan.
Ayan, Kuya OG, hello. Good afternoon.
Hi! Ayan. Actually, nanonood ako nitong as a view. Oo.
Maraming salamat.
Pero hindi, syempre hindi ko pa natatapos na dahil mga 20 minutes, 21, 22. Ganun lang siya, di ba? Pero kahit maiksi yun, medyo lagi nabibitin. So, ang tendency talaga, panoorin mo ng dire-diretso. Okay, so meron ako napansin dito kasi sa X app, laging inililink si Donnie kay sa pinsan niya. Pinsan mo ba si ano dito? Si Jameson Blake? Parang may mga ano daw, may mga himig daw. Oo. Parang yun, syempre, alam mo sa X app, di ba? Puro bakla yun nandoon. So, wala lang. Parang kinikilig din sila. Ano masasabi mo doon? Isang scene lang ba yun? Hindi, basta merong ganun eh.
May mga eksena kasi doon na parang yung mga tingin-tingin, yung
Oo.
parang may tension.
Pero ginagamit lang kasi ni Jameson,
Correct.
si Donnie.
Oo.
Oo. Pero, ang totoo, tama ako, si Jameson ang meron sa'yo. Sorry nakalimutan ko na tuloy. But anyway, ano masasabi mo doon, Donnie?
Masasabi ko, hindi ko, ano ba yan? Ano ba?
Hindi, alam mo, binibigyan
Salamat dahil nanonood sila ng show. Siguro.
Binibigyan,
Tapos, ginagawang BL.
ini-splice daw yung video. Ginagawang BL.
Ginagawang BL yung approach yung dalawang mas...
BL as in baklaan lang. Oo.
Salamat nakitaan nyo kami ng chemistry ni James.
Oo.
Salamat. Maraming salamat. Tsaka at least yung how to spot a red flag, ibig sabihin, nakikita rin ng lahat ng tao.
Kasi gumagawa sila sarili ng fantasies.
Oo.
Alternate universe, di ba? Gumagawa sila ng gano'n.
Oo, yun. Anyway, ang gusto ko itanong sa inyo, kung hindi kayo makaspot ng red flag sa isa't isa, ano yung ayaw nyo sa ikaw, anong ayaw mo ayaw mo sa lalaki?
What's a red flag?
Kaya yung pet peeve mo.
Actually, siguro syempre ayaw naman po natin lahat. Siguro sinungaling po.
Sinungaling.
Hindi honest. Yun naman po yung mga common red
Pero yung
flags.
sinungaling, di ba, normal lang yun? Wag lang talagang mahalata.
Ha? Feeling ko for me po, red flag ko po is, ayaw kong red flag is, hindi siya marunong magsabi ng totoo, pati pag nagsisinungaling.
Pag napansin mo.
Pag napansin ko.
Pero pag napaniwala ka, okay.
Ako yung red flag nun, kung ako yung nabudol niya.
Nabudol ka na naman.
Yes, so
Oo.
nabudol na naman si Cha. So yun po, siguro, pag gano'n, pag di natin napansin na nagsisinungaling na yung tao, nasa sa atin na yun.
Oo. Yung mga katsipang lang, yung mabababaw lang, like ayaw mo nagngangat-ngat ng nagne-nail bite, yung mga ganun.
Kami pong dalawa, actually, ayaw namin pag iniiwanan nakabukas yung pinto.
Oh,
Ako
bakit?
pet peeve ko yun. Gusto ko lagi sinasara.
Ah,
Yeah, ayun.
Baka mabigyan ng mali siya pag sinasara lagi.
Ay, hindi po.
Hindi naman. Ha?
Grabe ka naman!
Hindi, di ba yung sinasabi na, ay baka lumabas yung aircon.
Yung lamig.
Yung lamig, hindi yung aircon, yung lamig. Kaya lagi sinasabi.
Ay, sabi mo kasi kababawan na ano eh. So, binigyan
Yeah.
ka
Oo,
niya ng
oo,
ano.
oo. Ano pa yung naisip mo na parang ayaw mo nakikita sa lalaki na ginagawa niya? Yun ang, kunwari lang yung nangangalkal ng ilong, yung mga...
Ano ba naman?
Grabe naman. Hindi po, siguro ako...
Hindi ko nga sinabi nangungulangot. So,
Normal lang, kasi lahat naman tayo, siguro nung bata tayo, nangulangot tayo.
Oo.
Di ba?
Huwag lang
Bata!
Nung bata,
Pero hindi ka
ganito
na
eh.
wala.
Hindi,
Normal lang
syempre,
yun.
kulangot with caution.
Yun talaga ang topic.
Wait lang!
normal lang naman
Tapos
yung...
mas kulangot.
Oy, wait.
Normal lang naman yung basta huwag kakainin. Anyway.
Yes! Gentleman, kailangan gentleman ng lalaki.
Okay. So, ikaw naman, Donnie.
Siguro yung hindi nagtatrato ng taong, kunyari, mga nasa paligid nila ng maayos. Like, makikita mo, kung sa pananalita nila, walang respeto, ganun. Tapos, medyo full of themselves. Ang hirap kasi ng ganun.
Mayabang. Ganun.
Yan, pwede rin, mayabang, tsaka hindi niya iniisip yung mga ibang tao.
Okay. So, medyo malalim yun. Yung kababawan lang.
Kababawan.
Nakikita mo na ginagawa ng babae na, parang ayaw mo. Parang sana hindi niya ginawa yun. Sana hindi siya nangangabot ng singit. Yung mga ganyan. Ano?
Kakagat ng kuko, ayoko yun.
Ah.
Ayoko nga ganun. Tapos sobrang deep na nito. Hindi ko mga ganun ako.
Cringe.
Pero normal lang naman yun. Pero yung kuko sa paan, medyo ano na yun.
Medyo, kung ganun yung ginagawa, medyo red flag na yun siguro.
Oo.
Kulangot, kuko sa paa.
Ano ba yan?
Ano ba
Diyos
po?
ko. Alright. Okay na kayo, Odge?
Oo, okay na. Maraming salamat. Pero, oo. Hindi, syempre, gusto ko lang i-congratulate kayo dahil maganda yung inyong show.
Salamat po. Thank you
Oo.
po.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kuya Audrey Diaz. Si Don Sarmino daw gusto magtanong. Pasa natin dito, Mark, kay Don Sarmino. Eto na. Ayan. Go ahead, Don.
Ayan, okay, magandang hapon. And
Hello po.
si Bel, grabe. Hindi mo pa nung na-interview ka namin dito. Ngayon dalaga ka na.
Wala. Feeling ko 9 pa ata.
Kaya nga, anyway, kasi ang tagal na rin ng tandem, ang tagal na ng love. Pandemic pa, na-interview na namin kayo via Zoom pa noon. Tapos ngayon face-to-face na. So, sa tagal nyo nang magkakilala, so eto na lang, para pa-sweet lang. Kailan kayo huling kinilig sa isa't isa? Kasi syempre, pag masyadong familiar na sa isa't isa, di ba? Parang alam mo na yung attitude, alam mo na lahat, memorize mo na yung face, baka nagiging normal ng lahat. Ayun, ikaw, Bel, kailan ka huling kinilig kay Donnie at bakit?
Ano ba? Parang ano naman po, parang he always finds ways naman. Wow! Para pakiligin ako. Totoo naman! Bakit? Magiging honest ako. Yeah, he always finds ways naman para magpakilig ako. Like, just whenever kasi po ako lagi, since mahaba yung buko, so it takes more time for me to dry it up or mag-ayos to get ready. He always comes to my dressing room just to say hi. So that makes me kilig. Siguro yun. So there are a lot of ways naman po. Like, let's say, pag minsan randomly bigla siyang mag-order ng food, tatanungin niya ako, gano'n.
Do you text each other every day?
Oo nga. From morning to after evening. I mean, pag
How
nagising
are you
bago
Do you
matulog.
text each other every day?
No, we see each other almost every day. So,
Right.
hindi naman kailangan palagi magka-text kasi parang mas gusto namin yung magkausap talaga.
Yeah. No, like as simple as, good night.
Take care, sweet
Oh,
dreams.
minsan, syempre, may mga ganun din minsan. Pero, no, me and Belle, mas sanay kami sa hindi masyadong text, ganun. Mas, kunyari kung kasi alam ko hindi masyado nag-reply sa text, so kailangan tawagan mo.
Hoy!
Okay, so red flag yun
Tinatawagan ko siya.
Totoo!
Totoo! dito?
Oo, tawag, mas gusto niya yung
Ay, oo,
tawag.
maganda naman din yun. Naririnig yung boses.
Oo. Kasi di ba pag message minsan, hindi natin alam yung tone ng tao, kausap natin. And
Ano ba sa
what-
sinasabi mo? Kaya kailangan nasa phone.
Ha? Ano po yan?
Ayun nga.
Pero maganda yung question kasi gets ko naman, when we've been a tandem for what, 5 years na. You always have to find new ways to, find that chemistry para kiligin din. Weird yung